Council Mungoma, individual.
Fairness. It should be basically fair. The prosecution, the should prosecute fairly. And the court, and everyone should also prevent this case fairly, so that all parties are involved in the criminal justice system. And whoever watches sees that there is fairness in the whole process. And therefore people trust the system. Your Honor, Universal Trade here, the sanctions, the judges were sanctioned in the morning in the state. In the afternoon, we saw people holding watching a leave, going to go to the state. We will see where the state door is written. We accept it. This afternoon, we are faced with a situation where we say, I hope prepare the national rule of law. Also, propose today. One matter, since she was arrested last week, what they were doing, they tried not to receive. 90 days stay, not ready. Once the rule, we go to news.
Juízes da defesa da As such, is an underperformed by the position of the charges. as well as the authority to consider this bail application. I agree that the accused person has a constitutional right to apply for bail. The court reserves the discretion to consider whether or not to release the accused person on bail. In exercising this discretion, I'm aware that the same has been done judiciously upon considering the nature of the offense, circumstances of the commission of the crime and can be ascertained, as well as the substantiality of the issues presented, among other grounds. The tests that court usually invoke is whether or not the accused person can come out from trial if she is granted bail. If there is a likelihood that the accused person will appear, then the accused person will be granted bail. But where there is doubt, who is submitted will ensure that the accused person shall turn out from trial, and she will be ready to respond on the next adjourned date. I have considered the charges preferred. Although I find the basis for preparing the affidavit by the investigating officer submitted by state to have no substance, since the reasons have not been disclosed, I find the argument of verification of documents to have substance. This, in my opinion, is necessary so that the claims made in the same documents are confirmed. The prosecution will not be in a position to verify the claim, owing to the fact that some documents are usually presented before court at the time of preparing or making this application. I am also mindful of the fact that the last time this matter appeared, the state was not presented. The last time this matter came up, the state, before court, the state was not presented and may not have a hard time to address her mind to the matter before court. Justice demanded that those parties are allowed to present their arguments in support of their respective cases based on evidence, based on verified evidence. I therefore find merit in the adjournment only for that ground and the decided. Allow the adjournment for state to respond and accordingly decline to make a ruling pending a response from the state. The matter is therefore adjourned